G.
Lester.
Lay low, kneel down, look around, all this shit is crashing. I'm on the ground, can make it sound up in my head, having flashbacks of a picture perfect family, simple times, man, that shit is worthless. It had me down bad, drinking, popping. Let's kill this pain with the numbness, hoping, pray it stops it. Confusion with this world got me shaking, heads quaking. Yeah, through my mental got me breaking, man, I can't take it. I take a step back, question, will I be forgiven? Yeah, if I end it, can I grip it? Man, it's been weighing. I can't explain it, but my head high, motivated. I got to face it, try to make it, find a way, erase it. I do a lot of wrong, but in my heart is good intentions. In the position when it's said and done, it needs revision. I double back and right my wrongs, but I'm far too gone. Cause even if I had the chance, shit, I'll just add on. I know it's harder to do it and really easy to say it. Just take the words that I'm saying and really paint that it's weighing. And understand they have a problem, maybe one day they'll see. But actions be louder than words, ain't no time for sorry. Hey. Lay low, kneel down, look around, all this shit is crashing. I'm on the ground, can make it sound up in my head, having flashbacks of a picture perfect family, simple times, man, that shit is worthless. But I can't blame them cause they falling victim. Not to prescription, but the heart's itself a dope addiction. And in addition with the alcoholic coalition, he ain't himself because they falling.
This video serves absolutely no purpose at all but to test out the new Hero 8 that I just got. So I'm not too sure if I'm gonna continue this tomorrow any, because it's supposed to rain again. But if I do, then we'll cut to that. If not, we'll just cut to me, I guess, editing this. So what's going on, y'all? It is now the next day, and to be real with you, I have absolutely nothing planned as far as this video goes. I've just been super hype on this new GoPro Hero 8, and so everything that you saw me driving, the H2B, all of that stuff, which I hope it came out pretty decent. It was kind of getting dark on me, so I don't know exactly how good that did, but if it came out good, then chances are I put it in the beginning. But yeah, this little baby is sitting pretty. What I ended up doing is moving both of these back into the shop. It's just not working in the yard, man. It's too many damn like spiders and shit, and like it's really damp all back here, and so I just put them back in the shop. And that's why, if you're wondering, I haven't cut the grass or nothing yet, because it's just like you can see it rained some more today, and so it's like a fucking swamp everywhere. But yeah, so what I'm gonna probably end up doing now is I'm gonna go ahead and get this hood took off. I do plan on driving this tomorrow to work. It's supposed to actually be a nice day, so I'm gonna try to take full advantage of it and show off this lovely work of art here. But yeah, just a pretty chill video, man. I just really wanted to test out this GoPro and see how good the quality was. Hopefully my computer can handle it. I'm not even shooting on 4K or anything, because I already know like my computer is just way too clapped for that, so it's not gonna like it. But this is just 180p and 60 frames per second right now that we're shooting on, and I'm just testing that out, seeing how that does. Eventually we got to go ahead and try to figure out this throttle body and why it's sticking. If you'll notice, I do have 2 springs on it right now, and I mean, it's pretty tight, and as long as the car is off, it doesn't seem to have any type of issues as far as sticking wise. But the minute the car is running, it's like, because I put this adapter plate on, it's like too much vacuum or something like that. Like, I don't know if that's a thing or not, but it's like really sucking. No homo. But it's like really sucking hard, and it's I think that's what's causing it to really want to stick open. Because like I said, man, when it's off, like there's not a single issue. This thing opens and closes perfectly. But the minute it's running, it's like a lot of suction going on, so it just makes it not want to shut all the way. I don't know. It's really weird, man. And see, I've never had I never done like the adapter plate thing, and so I don't know if that's just a byproduct of it or not. But anyway, also I need to try to get this hose long enough to reach actually into the fluid down there, just so it can actually suck back what it pushes out. That's also an issue that I need to resolve. But other than that, man, this car is a freaking blast to drive. I love it. I do plan on repainting this car, but it's just, right now I'm not trying. I really want to take this thing to the track. That's like on the top of my to-do list, honestly, because I put the whole car together, and then this virus crap, and then it's just like I haven't been able to actually, I enjoy it on the street, but I don't know, I want to just see how good I can do, see what kind of times I can make. Hopefully I can get it into the 13s. A lot of people say, these are definitely capable of running 13s, especially with a good tire, but I don't have a good tire, and I'm not the best driver, so hopefully we can get it high 13s, like 13. If I can get it down to a 13.9, I would be accomplished with that. But yeah, Also in the future, there's gonna be some cam work. We're gonna do cams. Been talking pretty heavily on E85. I may switch it straight to E85 first and then do the cams later. I might do that and just see see if we can go ahead and crack 220 with just E85, because right now we're at 216. So hopefully just switching to E85 will bump me up to 220, which would be really, really sweet. Ooh, shit. That thing looks good. All right, so while out here, I went ahead and got Nisha's Reservoir bottle mounted. She wanted a water bottle similar to like what I got in mine, so we ended up going on and getting that strapped in, so hopefully that won't bang off the fan like that stock one was doing. But yeah, B16 is looking mint. Probably gonna end up doing a video on like not sanding, but polishing this paint out, because there's no like actual fading. It's just been turned to a haze. And me and my little brother put a little bit of wax. This is just by hand, and you can see the difference as to where this is where it's wax and that's nothing. And I do got a buffer laying in the back of my CRV that I didn't even use that much, so we'll probably end up trying that on here and make a whole video out of that. So look for that hopefully sometime this week coming up. Thank you for putting your mouth in my video. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. I know it was just kind of random as fuck. I just really wanted to test out this GoPro, but if you did enjoy the little bit of footage that I did get ripping the H2B, and we also went and got milkshakes on the B16, but we didn't really film it. It's already dark outside, so anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Hope y'all enjoy. As always, like, share, subscribe, and remember, respect all bills. Peace out.